Hello guys, welcome back to Summer and KG channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you're super great. Well, right now we are in corniche walkway center, Doha. As you can see, this is the view around. We just arrived. We just came right now. So we're just trying to get some. Yeah. Baba. Baba, say cheese. Come my tongue. Say hi. Hi. Baba, say hi. Say hi, and you're in the other place. This place you say hi. Say hi. Baba is busy. Oh, look at him, he's busy. Baba, say hi. Hi. Let me see your face.